Our project is based on implementation of cardless payment using NFC. Existing model. Generally we use cash and credit cards for most of the amount transaction. There is a risk in carrying a large amount in the same time and there is a fear of losing it. When we are using credit cards, there was a problem of forgetting the PIN number when we are using it. Literature survey. Generally, contactless NFC payment using cloud infrastructure, cloud computing techniques for its changing field. NFC models are available mostly in Norway and mobile phones like Sony, Samsung consist of inbuilt NFC. NFC applications also use peer-to-peer communication which actually requires a third trusted party which leads to some security issues. Generally, NFC security standards requires a key agreement. RFID, NFC ID can be used but it leads to some collision problem and also needs to be updated each time. A separate hardware is mostly needed for smart card and RFID tags. Abstract. The money transaction in these days was through cash, credit cards and mobile banking. Carrying large amount of cash at a certain time leads to the fear of being theft and there was a risk in it. However, credit card also has poor reliability. All the above mentioned drawbacks in money transaction can be overcome by using a technique called NFC. Indian government was ultimately aimed at improving the status of our country and thereby tries to digitalize our country in all possible aspects. Mobile phone plays an important role in the process of digitalization. So, NFC based amount transaction will play a vital role in our country for sure. Introduction to NFC. NFC refers to Near Field Communication, which is a communication protocol. It enables two devices which are in close proximity of 4 cm to communicate with each other. NFC devices are used in contactless payment similar to those used in credit cards. NFC is used for social networking for sharing contacts, photos, videos, or files. NFC offers a low speed connection with simple setup. Block diagram. In our block diagram, the NFC signal from the mobile phone is found to trace the NFC reader, which was then connected to the PIC microcontroller. Fingerprint sensor was connected to the PIC microcontroller. Keypad is connected to the PIC microcontroller. For input and for the output side, we are using GSM module and LCD. Working description. The steps involved in the processing of the above described model are as follows. The NFC in the mobile phone is made to be turned on, which can be read by the NFC reader in the close proximity. The fingerprint is then verified by the fingerprint sensor. The amount to be transacted is entered by using the keypad. The entered details are verified by the microcontroller. The transaction is completed and the verification is sent to the mobile phone as SMS and also it is displayed in the LCD. Hardware components, keypad, which are the set of buttons used to enter the amount, NFC reader, which is used to read the NFC signal from the mobile phone, PIC 16F877A, which is a simple microcode stored in ROM to perform its tasks. LCD, which is used to display the flat panel result and discussion. Now we are going to see the step-by-step procedure of how the kit is working. Initially, we want to enable the NFC in the mobile. To enable the NFC in mobile phone, go to settings and then go to more options. Here NFC is already available. We have to turn on the NFC. This is the display when the fingerprint was correctly matched. After verifying the fingerprint, we have to place the mobile phone near the NFC reader. When we place the NFC reader, now we get authorized message in the LCD board. After getting the authorized message, we also get a message through GSM module to our mobile phone. When we have to mention the amount to be transacted, we have to press any of the above mentioned keypad. Now here we press the button refers to rupees 100 so that the display will be represented as authorized rupees 100. It was our project and it is very useful for the future method of money transaction. Advantages of NFC reader: increased customer satisfaction, improved sales, lower expenses, better employee communication, reduced need for staff, scalable security. Applications of NFC reader: it can help with the problem of split bills. It could be used as your bus or train ticket. It can remember passwords for you. As another payment option, you don't have to give out your credit card details as much. It can improve your tourism experience. It increases interactive advertising. Future enhancement: the security level of the money transaction can be increased, size of the device can be reduced, authentication problem can be reduced. Conclusion: the basic method of money transaction and bill payment based on cash, credit cards and online payments has their own drawbacks such as missing the cash and credit cards and also has the possibility of forgetting the password. The third party can also hack the password on PIN code when we are using this in it. Our references are mentioned here and we can refer these papers for NFC payment. Thank you.